The Sleep8 Travel CPAP Cleaning Machine giveaway. It's happening right now over on our Facebook. I'm Chris with AffinityHM.com, and today I'm going to tell you a little about the Sleep8 and plus how to win a Sleep8 over on our Facebook page. But first, I want to show you a little bit about the actual Sleep8 machine so you can see it for yourself. So come on over here and I'll show you a little bit about the Sleep8. So in the giveaway, we're going to give away not only the Sleep8 machine itself, but also a free travel case to carry it around with. The Sleep8 machine is a wonderful little CPAP cleaning machine. It's the only travel CPAP machine or portable CPAP cleaning machine that has been tested in the US. And whenever you open the box, you just notice that first you're going to get the little bag that you need to clean, and here is the actual Sleep8 machine, and it's really small, easy to operate. Also in the box you would get the charging cable, and you get the little, it's almost like a cube. So one really cool thing about the Sleep8 is that you can charge it up and then use it, or if you like, you can have it plugged in all of the time and use it while it's plugged in. So on the Sleep8, the way to actually use it, I'm going to go through the steps. What you want to do is first, of course, get the bag out of this box. And I want to talk about this bag a little bit. It's very important in the process of using the Sleep8. This bag, it's a big bag, first of all. So there's enough room in this bag to clean your CPAP mask, your hose, and even your water reservoir. Secondly, there's ozone going into the bag for the cleaning process, and they built a little filter on the outside of the bag. It's a charcoal filter. Now let's talk about ozone a little bit. Ozone is actually O3. Now the oxygen molecule in oxygen is typically O2, as you know, and that's where two oxygen molecules are combined together. But in O3, that third oxygen molecule combines to those two, but it's not combined real tightly. It's very volatile. It wants to break away from the O2 molecule. So what happens with O3 is when it goes into this bag, it will allow that third molecule to break away. That third single oxygen molecule goes into the mold molecule or the bacteria or the virus, and it destroys it. And then you have just O2 remaining. So the importance of this filter is that with this filter, whenever the O3 escapes the bag, it changes it back into regular oxygen. So that makes it very safe to use. Here again is the Sleep8 machine. Now check out this bag. On one part of the bag, you actually have a little adapter, this little white adapter, and in a minute we're going to be connecting the Sleep8 machine to this actual adapter. But before we do that, we're going to want to take our CPAP tubing and connect the CPAP tubing to the inside of the bag. So what you want to do is just reach into the inside of the bag. That same adapter has a port where you can connect the tubing, and then on the outside of the bag is where you'll connect the Sleep8. But let me get all of this CPAP tubing into the bag first. Also, of course, your CPAP mask will have been connected to it. So let me get the mask on there. This one is just a nasal mask made by ResMed that I'm using as an example. You could use actually any type of mask. It doesn't have to be this mask. It can be a full face mask. It can be a nasal pillow type mask. It really doesn't matter. But just get all of it into the bag, all connected up. Now if you have a water reservoir, just disconnect the water reservoir, empty the water out, put the water reservoir in here, and once it's in the bag, you just zip the bag up, and it's kind of like a Ziploc bag. So once the bag is zipped up, now you're ready to connect your Sleep8. And notice on the Sleep8, I'm going to get a little closer to the camera so you can see there's a blue dot right on the top of the Sleep8. And then with the Sleep8 bag, there also is a blue dot right here. So we're just going to line up the two blue dots when we connect these two together. And now we have it all connected. And again, remember, the hose is connected inside the bag. At this point, you just press this one button right here, and that's going to start the process. You're going to notice that the bag inflates, so all of the ozone is circulating into the bag through the tubing, through your mask, and around the water reservoir. It's going to kill 99.9% of all of that mold, bacteria, and virus. Now it goes through its process on its own. You don't have to sit there and wait on it. If you got something to do, maybe you're in the hotel room or in your home, just let it do its process. When it's complete, it's gonna beep 5 times to let you know it's completed. But if you're not there, it's okay. You just wait until that evening. Whenever you get back, you disconnect everything, hook it back up, and you're gonna have a clean CPAP machine. So let's talk about this giveaway. We're gonna be giving away 1 bag, the Sleep8 machine, and the travel case to a lucky winner. The way to win is just look down in the description and you will see a link to our Facebook page. That's going to take you to the live video that we did over on Facebook just a little while ago. You're going to want to share that post publicly. You're going to want to like it and also comment. Comment what city you're from, or comment I'm in. Comment anything, or if you have a question, comment a question. So we'll be happy to answer any questions that you might have, and we appreciate you watching this video here on YouTube. As soon as we get to 5,000 subscribers on YouTube, somebody's gonna win a free Sleep8. So thank you for watching. Hope you have a great day. Take care.